Hello friends, welcome to FAQ Room. Today, I am going to ask some questions on computer science and engineering to Mr. Clara. Hi Clara, how are you?
Hi Flora, I am fine. Hope you are doing well. I will explain and give proper answers to all your questions. So let us start today's session.
What is the difference between system software and application software?
Computer software is a sort of program that allows clients to work on different assignments or use them to work on their system. It tells the working and responsibilities of the system. Basically, software is a set of instructions or commands that tells a user how to do and what to do. Types of software are 1. System software. 2. Application software. System software. System software is the type of software that is the interface between application software and the system. Low-level languages are used to write the system software. System software maintains the system resources and gives the path for application software to run. An important thing is that without system software, the system cannot run. It is general-purpose software. Functions of system software are as follows: memory management, processor management, file management, security, error detecting aids, scheduling. Features of system software are as follows. System software is written in a low-level language. The size of the system software is smaller. System software is complex to understand. System software is present near hardware components. Types of system software are as follows. 1. Operating system. Operating system is the main part of the computer system. It has the responsibility of managing all the resources such as CPU, printer, hard disk, etc. It also provides services to many other computer softwares. Examples of operating systems are Linux, Apple, Mac OS, Microsoft Windows, etc. 2. Language processor. System software converts human-readable language into a machine language, and it is done by language processor. It converts programs into instructions that are easily readable by machines. 3. Device driver. A device driver is a program or software that helps to perform its functions by controlling the device. You first have to install a driver for running the program. Application software. Application software is the type of software that runs as per user request. It runs on the platform which is provided by system software. High-level languages are used to write the application software. It's a specific purpose software. The main difference between system software and application software is that without system software, the system cannot run. On the other hand, without application software, the low-level maintenance system always runs. Functions of application software are as follows. 1. Information and data management. 2. Management of documents, document exchange systems. 3. Development of visuals and video, emails, text messaging, audio, and video conferencing, and cooperation are all options. Management of accounting, finance, and payroll, management of resources, ERP and CRM systems. Features of application software are as follows. 1. Application software is written in a high-level language. 2. Application software requires more storage space than system software. 3. Only a single task is performed by each application software. 4. Application software is easy to build in comparison to system software. Types of application software are as follows. 1. General-purpose software. This application software is used to perform tasks that are used for a variety of tasks, just not limited to a specific task only. For example, MS Word, MS Excel, etc. 2. Customized software. It is used to perform tasks that are designed for specific organizations. For example, railway reservation system, airline reservation system, etc. 3. Utility software. It is used to support the architecture of the computer. It is designed for optimizing and maintaining the system and also taking care of its requirements.
What is the difference between system software and application software?
System software, application software difference. 1. System software maintains the system resources and gives the path for application software to run. Application software is built for specific tasks. 2. Low-level languages are used to write the system software, while high-level languages are used to write the application software. 3. System software is general-purpose software, while application software is specific-purpose software. 4. Without system software, the system stops and can't run, while without application software, system always runs. 5. System software runs when the system is turned on and stops when the system is turned off, while application software runs as per the user's request. 6. System software programming is more complex than application software. Application software programming is simpler in comparison to system software. 7. The software that is designed to control, integrate and manage the individual hardware components in application software is known as system software. A set of computer programs installed in the user's system and designed to perform a specific task is known as application software. 8. A system software operates the system in the background until the shutdown of the computer. Application software runs in the front end according to the user's request. 9. The system software has no interaction with users. It serves as an interface between hardware and the end user. Application software connects an intermediary between the user and the computer. 10. System software runs independently. Application software is dependent on system software because they need a set platform for its functioning. Example for system software is an operating system, etc. Example for application software is Photoshop, VLC Player, etc.
What is system software and application software with example?
Example for system software includes Android, Mac operating system, MS Windows, etc. Examples of application software includes word processor, games, media player, etc. The above-mentioned differences clarify the fact that one software is pre-installed while the other can be installed as per the user requirements. What are the different types of interfaces? Types of user interfaces. Graphical user interface, GUI, command line interface, CLI, menu-driven user interface. Touch user interface.
What are the 4 methods of programming?
There are 4 types of programming language that are classified are 1. Procedural programming language. 2. Functional programming language. 3. Object-oriented programming language. 4. Logical programming language. Programming methodologies. Introduction. When programs are developed to solve real-life problems like inventory management, payroll processing, student admissions, examination result processing, etc., they tend to be huge and complex. The approach to analyzing such complex problems, planning for software development and controlling the development process is called programming methodology. Types of programming methodologies. There are many types of programming methodologies prevalent among software developers. Procedural programming. Problem is broken down into procedures, or blocks of code that perform one task each. All procedures taken together form the whole program. It is suitable only for small programs that have low level of complexity. Example for a calculator program that does addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, and comparison. Each of these operations can be developed as separate procedures. In the main program, each procedure would be invoked on the basis of user's choice. Object-oriented programming. Here the solution revolves around entities or objects that are part of problem. The solution deals with how to store data related to the entities, how the entities behave and how they interact with each other to give a cohesive solution. Example if we have to develop a payroll management system, we will have entities like employees, salary structure, leave rules, etc. around which the solution must be built. Functional programming. Here the problem, or the desired solution, is broken down into functional units. Each unit performs its own task and is self-sufficient. These units are then stitched together to form the complete solution. Example a payroll processing can have functional units like employee data maintenance, basic salary calculation, gross salary calculation, leave processing, loan repayment processing, etc. Logical programming. Here the problem is broken down into logical units rather than functional units. Example, in a school management system, users have very defined roles like class teacher, subject teacher, lab assistant, coordinator, academic in charge, etc. So the software can be divided into units depending on user roles. Each user can have different interface, permissions, etc. Software developers may choose one or a combination of more than one of these methodologies to develop a software. Note that in each of the methodologies discussed, problem has to be broken down into smaller units. To do this, developers use any of the following 2 approaches. 1. Top-down approach. 2. Bottom-up approach. Top-down or modular approach. The problem is broken down into smaller units, which may be further broken down into even smaller units. Each unit is called a module. Each module is a self-sufficient unit that has everything necessary to perform its task. The following illustration shows an example of how you can follow modular approach to create different modules while developing a payroll processing program. Bottom-up approach. In bottom-up approach, system design starts with the lowest level of components, which are then interconnected to get higher level components. This process continues till a hierarchy of all system components is generated. However, in real-life scenario it is very difficult to know all lowest-level components at the outset. So bottoms-up approach is used only for very simple problems. Let us look at the components of a calculator program.
What is Java programming?
Java is a widely used programming language for coding web applications. It has been a popular choice among developers for over 2 decades, with millions of Java applications in use today. Java is a multi-platform, object-oriented, and network-centric language that can be used as a platform in itself.
What is Java programming used in?
Java has long been the de facto programming language for creating web apps, Android apps, and software development tools such as Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, and NetBeans IDE. Development tools. The Integrated Development Environment IDE is one of Java's most intriguing features.
What is Java full form?
Java is a widely used programming language for coding web applications. It has been a popular choice among developers for over 2 decades, with millions of Java applications in use today. Java is a multi-platform, object-oriented, and network-centric language that can be used as a platform in itself.
What are the 2 types of Java?
Java Platform, Standard Edition Java SE Java Platform, Enterprise Edition Java EE Java Platform. What are 4 types of Java programming? There are 4 platforms of the Java programming language. 1. Java Platform, Standard Edition Java SE. 2. Java Platform, Enterprise Edition Java EE. 3. Java Platform, Micro Edition Java Me. 4. JavaFX.
What are the 3 parts of Java?
Java architecture consists of 3 main components, and those are JRE Java Runtime Environment, JDK Java Development Kit, and JVM Java Virtual Machine.
What are the 5 data types in Java?
Primitive data types includes byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean and char. Non-primitive data types such as string, arrays and classes. You will learn more about these in a later chapter.
What are the major features of Java programming language?
Major features of Java programming language are simple, object-oriented, platform-independent, portable, robust, secure, interpreted, multi-threaded.
What are types of Java application?
Technology is constantly going through an evolution, and so are the languages that are used to develop them. Java is one of the popular programming language having n number of applications. Listing down the top 10 applications of Java: mobile applications, desktop GUI applications, web-based applications, enterprise applications, scientific applications, gaming applications, big data technologies, business applications, distributed applications, cloud-based applications.
What do you mean by virtual machine?
A virtual machine is a computer file, typically called an image, that behaves like an actual computer. It can run in a window as a separate computing environment, often to run a different operating system or even to function as the user's entire computer experience, as is common on many people's work computers. A VM is a virtualized instance of a computer that can perform almost all of the same functions as a computer, including running applications and operating systems. Virtual machines run on a physical machine and access computing resources from software called a hypervisor.
What is another name for virtual machines?
A hypervisor, also known as a virtual machine monitor or VMM, is software that creates and runs virtual machines VMs. A hypervisor allows one host computer to support multiple guest VMs by virtually sharing its resources, such as memory and processing.
What is called virtual?
In computing, the term virtual refers to a digitally replicated version of something real, whether it's a machine, a switch, memory, or even reality. It is distinguished from the real by the fact that it lacks an absolute, physical form. However, functionally it is no less real. What are virtual machines used for? Virtual machines VMs allow a business to run an operating system that behaves like a completely separate computer in an app window on a desktop.
Why OS is called virtual machine?
A virtual machine VM is an operating system OS or application environment that is installed on specialized software called a virtual machine monitor VMM that emulates the underlying hardware, e.g. a PC, server, mobile device, etc., or operating environment.
What is cloud computing in simple words?
Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet, the cloud, to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale.
What is cloud computing example?
Dropbox, Google Drive, and Amazon S3 are the most popular online storage that can keep our files readily accessible anytime, anywhere. They are the cloud computing examples that us take our data with us as long as we have the internet connection to access them.
What is cloud computing used for?
Organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases, such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development and testing, big data analytics, and customer-facing web applications.
What is the difference between cloud and cloud computing?
Cloud storage is for data, while cloud computing is for processes. Essentially, cloud storage simply holds your data, while cloud computing allows you to do things with that data.
What is cloud types?
The main three types of cloud computing are public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Within these deployment models, there are four main services: infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS, software as a service SaaS, and serverless computing.
What is cloud computing? Best answer.
Cloud computing is an internet-based new age computer technology. It is the next stage technology that uses the clouds to provide the services whenever and wherever the user need. IT provides a method to access several servers worldwide.
Which programming language is used in cloud computing?
JS, C, .NET, etc. are the common languages used for cloud computing. There are different models for the delivery of software or applications. These all are used by different organizations according to their purpose and need.
What is the full form of SaaS?
Software as a service SaaS is a cloud-based software delivery model that allows end users to access software applications over the internet.
What is cloud computing?
Cloud computing enables customers to use infrastructure and applications via the internet, without installing and maintaining them on premises.
What is computer programming?
Computer programming is the process of designing and developing various computer programs to complete specific tasks in either application or software or within the computers. The process constitutes many tasks, like analyzing the problem, generating an algorithm to solve it, and then examining the output generated. Computer programming is creating a series of programs to resolve a problem in a computer. The whole procedure of writing computer programs is called computing programming. The programming also has another name called coding, and the person who writes the code is referred as the programmer or coder. Programming is inputting instructions to the computer or machines that describe how to carry out a task. Programmers use various programming languages to code the different parts of the system, like software, hardware, and applications in computers and digital devices, which helps us use them for many tasks. There are various programming languages to write programs, which include C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, JavaScript, Ruby, R, etc.
What is operating system with example?
Examples of operating systems are Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. An operating system OS is a collection of software that manages computer hardware resources and provides common services for computer programs. The operating system is the most important type of system software in a computer system. What are the types of operating system? Types of operating systems are Batch OS, Distributed OS, Multitasking OS, Network OS, Real OS, Mobile OS.
What are the 5 operating systems?
There are mainly 5 popular operating systems: Apple Mac OS, Microsoft Windows, Google Android OS, Linux operating system, and Apple iOS.
What are the 2 main types of operating system?
The following are the 2 types of operating system along with their examples. Single-user operating system, for example, DOS, Windows 95/97. Multi-user operating system, for example, Unix, Linux.
What are the main objectives of OS?
The main objectives of an operating system include efficiency, hardware abstraction, convenience, and system resource management.
What is the computer network?
A computer network is a group of interconnected nodes or computing devices that exchange data and resources with each other. A network connection between these devices can be established using cable or wireless media.
What is Foundations of Computer Science?
Foundations of Computer Science. The Foundations of Computer Science track is intended for students who wish to develop state-of-the-art knowledge of the theoretical foundations of computer science. The theory of computation plays a crucial role in providing solid foundations for all areas of computer science, including systems, artificial intelligence, security, and circuit design. This track will help you develop leading-edge knowledge of theoretical computer science and its applications.
What is the subject of Introduction to Computer Programming in Computer Science and Engineering?
Introduction to Computer Programming. The subject covers the basics of programming and demonstrates fundamental programming techniques, customs, and terms including the most common library functions and the usage of the preprocessor. This subject helps the student in gaining the knowledge to write simple C language applications, mathematical and engineering problems. This subject helps to undertake future courses that assume this programming language as a background in computer programming. Topics include variables, data types, functions, control structures, pointers, strings, arrays and dynamic allocation principles. This subject enriched to student by PowerPoint presentations, lecture notes, and lab involve the problem solving in mathematical and engineering areas. Introduction to Computer Programming Objectives. 1. To express algorithms and draw flowcharts in a language-independent manner. 2. To teach how to write modular, efficient, and readable C programs. 3. To impart knowledge in creating and using arrays of the C data types. 4. To describe the techniques for creating program modules in C using functions and recursive functions. 5. To demonstrate creation of derived data types and perform operations on files. 6. To familiarize pointers and dynamic memory allocation functions to efficiently solve problems. Introduction to Computer Programming Outcomes. Upon completion of the course, the students will be able to 1. Write, compile, and debug programs in C language. 2. Use different data types in a computer program. 3. Design programs involving decision structures, loops, arrays, and functions. 4. Identify the difference between call by value and call by reference. 5. Use pointers to understand the dynamics of memory. 6. Create and perform different file operations.
What is VM and how do virtual machines work?
Virtual machines are made possible through virtualization technology. Virtualization uses software to simulate virtual hardware that allows multiple VMs to run on a single machine. The physical machine is known as the host while the VMs running on it are called guests. Thank you for watching special FAQ room session on engineering disciplines for career guidance. Please watch, like, comment, share, subscribe and follow the AI YouTube channel. Hi, I am Clara. I will give all answers to Flora S collective frequently asked questions in every session, whatever the questions related to discipline of engineering. Viewers also contribute to ask questions and may provide answers in the comments.
Hi, I am Flora collecting questions from various disciplines of engineering and passes to Clara to provide proper answers. Viewers also requested to engage to provide much better answer to the questions in comments for review and feedback.
Thank you for watching the session. Please check and watch next season when published. Click the button for bell icon for notifications. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my AI channel through which the FAQ room is publishing. Please follow and support my channel. AI YouTube channel viewers also requested to engage to provide much better answer to the questions and comments for review and feedback of sessions, and viewers also requested to contribute to ask questions and may provide answers in the comments box. Thanks for Clara and Flora. Keep watching. Thank you very much. FAQ room sessions. AI YouTube channel.